Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a update for Apple products that is a little secretive. It doesn't have an official CVE or any, catalog number for security, but it clearly seems to have been sent out by Apple's security side of things, and it was released yesterday, January the 6th. And it, of course, is for iPads and iPhones. The affected models that are getting the update is the iPhone XS and later, the iPad Pro 13-inch, the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third generation and later, the iPad Pro 11-inch, first generation and later, iPad Air, third generation and later, iPad 7th generation and later, and iPad mini 5th generation and later. So this is, even though there's absolutely no detail, possibly security updates for the Apple devices, and I wouldn't be surprised that, of course, it could be close to being 0 days, or at least it's important enough to push very quickly for Apple devices. So if you have an iPhone, if you have an iPad, go and check out your updates. Make sure that you update to the latest security updates. Like every device, don't think that Apple products are safer than any others. They are not if you keep security flaws open. So it's important to keep your devices up to date. So once again, there's just no details, and they're not giving any CVEs, nothing. It's like, okay, well, I guess it had to be pushed, but maybe we'll learn a little more in the next few days about what it is, and who knows, might be the first 0 day of the year for Apple products. They had several last year, so you never know. Update your Apple devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.